Alright, good afternoon everybody. I'm here in Old Town Alexandria, going to check out this beachfront area, just enjoy the sights, and check out a few stores, figure out what it's all about. Anyway, let's go. Alright, just got done checking out the Torpedo Art Factory, and I'm about to just walk down by the wharf here, I guess you'd call it, check out the nearby parks. It was a nice area. The sun is out today, so gonna have a good day, it looks like. So, as you can see, beautiful sunny day, calm and quiet. The wind is out today for sure, but I'm just enjoying myself here in Old Town Alexandria. I believe this is Virginia, and gonna probably head towards that side over there. I just walked through that big grayish building, or no, the brown building way down there. You can probably barely see. With the green top, where they have a whole bunch of little art studios and stuff, and they're showing off their art. A nice area. They had the nice little archaeology museum in there, which was really neat. But I want to check what's beyond that and maybe go up some of the streets, because I know Main Street is not that far away from here. So anyway, let's see what the day has in store for us. Alrighty, that was delicious. Just finished up my lunch over at Ichiban Sushi House here in Alexandria, and had myself a bowl of ramen with some spicy miso soup. And now I'm gonna check out Kilwin's, because you gotta. How's it going? Alright. How's it going today? Oops, sorry. I'm here at the Alexandria Lyceum Museum, checking out some of the exhibits they have here. This is one from a photographer who went around and captured all the local churches over history, it looks like. Alright, so been enjoying my day here in Old Town Alexandria. Picked up some ice cream, got some ramen, got some candy from Kilwin's, and checked out a few shops here or there. Nothing major really standing out. So I'm just kind of enjoying the Old Town fashion and design. Yeah, I suppose we'll see what's in store the rest of this area before I leave here, but this will probably be my last message because I don't really have much else going on here really. There's really not a lot to see. Well, there are some nice spots here, that's for sure. So, mahalo, thank you for joining. Have a good one, everybody. Okay, I lied a little bit here. I'm heading towards Jones Point Park, at least a little bit, and I found a little tunnel, which I had to record it. I mean, come on, this is a walkable tunnel. It's not something you see every day. Well, for most of us. Well, for me. Anyway, let's get a gander. Wom. So I'm at Windmill Hill Park area. Let's see if you can see anything with the sun glaring right at us. Probably not much. But yeah, hopefully walking down that way should lead me towards Jones Point. There actually is a walkway to cross that whole bridge there, but we'll see if I even bother trying to find it or take it.